Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry Lau and today is Wednesday, February 27th, 2019. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the Euro Yen. This is a 60-minute chart and we can see right here that we are calling for further upside with a bullish sequence stem and the right side tech to the upside, which basically means the right side is to the upside. And thus, even though we are looking for this pullback to happen, when it is against the right side, what we tell members always is that don't trade against the right direction, all right? Since that will be a counter trend, and usually counter trend is weaker and may or may not happen, right? So over here, we are looking for this blue box here to see some support or buyers, and the pair can either go to new high from here, from this blue box, which is when it ends this X in red, or it can bounce from here and fail to make a new high and go lower again. And so if that happens, that is what we call a double correction. Okay, but still some sort of reaction is expected from the blue box here if we can go there, and some sort of three-ways reaction at minimum can be observed from the blue box. Now what will be in the alternate? Well, in the alternate, couple of things. If we go directly to the upside, then that means that the X may be completed, even though it looks too shallow for this correction here to correct this entire cycle. So it makes sense to see another leg higher and another leg lower before the rally resumes. Now secondly, another possibility is this becomes an impulse. So instead of an ABC zigzag, we could become an impulse. So in which case this becomes a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 like this, and then do a bigger A here, right? So in other words, instead of an A here, this is a wave 1 in the lower degree. So that will be another possibility, right? But the bottom line is, as long as this pivot 124.14 is intact, is holding, then we like to see more upside in the pair, right? And for now, what we are calling for is a zigzag correction from the peak that will end in the blue box here for further upside. Now looking at the larger time frame, this is the 4-hour. Now after forming the low here in early January, we seen the pair starting to rally here, right? And you can see since this point on, the rally has been forming a higher high and a higher low, right? A higher high and higher low. So typical of incomplete sequence on the upside, right? So if the trick is trying to figure out what sort of structure it is from this low, and if there is any connector in the middle, right? Now if you look at the RSI momentum, this seems to be the connector here. You can see it breaks this, so this one looks to be a connector. So in other words, we got one cycle, we got two cycle, we got the second cycle, and then after that we have a new high, right? So we got this 1, 2, and then a new high, and so technically what we got here then is a higher high from January the 3rd 2019, and so that's favoring for the upside until this leg here is going to be at least equal to this leg. All right, so that's why favoring more upside in the Euro Yen against this invalidation level for now. All right, so for further updates about this pair, you can always join us in the live session or live trading room. We also provide 1-hour chart update 4 times a day. You can always try our service 14 days for free. The link is provided in the description. Thanks very much, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.